Hey everyone, it's the Diary of a Disney Dad, and today we're at Dollywood. All right, today we're at the DreamMore, Dollywood's first ever resort. We are going to be staying in a junior suite, so we'll show you the room tour. We're going to eat dinner here at Hearth and Song. It is a family style eatery. And we are also going to just show you the resort, the pool area, different things like that. So come on with us as we take a tour.
All right, we just got to the room. I want to give you guys a little bit of a look. So we have a room that can sleep 5. Right in the entry here, we have the bunk beds. The boys are so excited for that. They even have a TV on the wall here. All right, if you keep going, here is the king bed. And then there's a small living space, and this couch comes out to a bed as well. All right, we have our sink. So in here is where the mini fridge is, some storage space. Oh, the coffee maker is over here, the other TV. All right, here is the bathroom. I think this is so cute. Look at the butterfly on the mirror, and the butterfly wallpaper here is so beautiful. All right, I'm gonna back up so you can get a look at the shower. So that is a look at the rooms, and now we're gonna take a look at the rest of the resort and what they have to offer. We're just taking a look at the outside here of the spa. This is open daily at 9 a.m. You can see from the menu here, they offer different type of spa packages, from massages to nail services. They also have a game room arcade, which is open from 9 in the morning till 9:30 p.m. This is a lot of fun, and my boys had lots of fun playing some games. They had an indoor pool, which is great since it's not always sunny and warm in Tennessee. This was a great option that we could swim inside during our trip. They also have a fitness center here, and then you can take a look. They have lots of fun activities going on throughout the whole day at Camp Dollywood. Now we're going to take a look at the outdoors. They had a playground and a really awesome pool. We are definitely looking forward to coming back in the warmer months and trying this pool out. They also have campfires nightly where you can roast marshmallows. There are some fun outdoor games. My kids love playing cornhole. Something that I thought was really neat and unique is that they do this nightly story time. So we did this on our last trip here, not this one, so we don't have a video, but this is the area that they do them in, and they have the fireplace lit, and then they read this cute little story to all the little ones. Now we're heading inside and downstairs for dinner, but I wanted to stop and show you guys this. This is the Dream Box, which is Dolly's memories and wishes for the future. It's not going to be open until Dolly's 100th birthday, which is January 19th, 2046. Also in the back, you can see that there's a plank of wood, and this was from Dolly's first stage, which was her front porch in the Tennessee mountains. Now we're heading into Song and Hearth for some dinner. All right, so here is a look at the menu. They have something to share, which they just brought out. They're also going to bring out some soup. So you get to choose 3 of these meats and 3 sides, and then you get to pick a dessert, 1 per person. This is the fresh baked garlic cheddar drop biscuits. They look delicious. The boy said I have to try it right away.
All right, so for our 3 entrees for the southern specialties we're choosing is pot roast with carrots and potatoes, the chicken and dumplings, and the 12-hour smoked beef brisket. I'm really excited for the beef brisket because it's with a root beer barbecue sauce. That sounds pretty tasty. We also get to choose 3 sides, and we're gonna go with macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes and brown gravy, and the garden salad with the ranch dressing. The nice thing is, because it is family style, when you go for a second round, you can change up the entree if you want and try something different, or you can change up the sides and try something different on that as well. Okay, for future reference, Song and Hearth is family style dining Monday through Thursday, and then on the weekend, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it is the buffet again. Breakfast is still the buffet too. This is the stone soup. It is a soup made with ham, onions, celery, carrots, smoked bacon, turnips, cabbage, potatoes, and tomatoes. So this soup is loaded. Let's give it a try.
If your kids don't like broccoli, it's fine. This does not have broccoli in it. And I do not like broccoli. I'm not a fan of broccoli.
Stone soup. Here we go. Wow. That has a very good flavor. Like, I don't know what stone soup means in the sense of it tastes like it was cooked in like a stone pot. Listen, you guys, if you guys follow Jennie's food blog at all, you know she's a soup. She loves her soup. I am not a soup fan, but this is a tasty soup.
I really like this soup. It does taste like it was on one of those stone things. It is very good.
All right, so Julie, the restaurant manager here, told us the story behind the stone soup. So, if you guys are familiar with Dolly Parton or don't know the history, here's a little history lesson of Dolly Parton. Stone soup was something Dolly Parton's mother used to make. Dolly Parton is one of 12. She had 11 brothers and sisters. And the way stone soup came about is her mom would make this soup whenever someone was having a particularly bad day. The reason that it is called stone soup is so in order for the stone soup to be made, the kids had to go outside and find a rock or a stone. Then they would bring the stone in, and whoever had the best rock got to help Mama make the stone soup. So, if you are the child having a particularly bad day, Mama magically always picked that rock. So that child got to help Mama make the stone soup and contribute and hopefully make their day a little bit better. Dolly Parton's mom has some true parenting wisdom right there. Time outside, time with Mom, and then you can make a kid feel special just by picking a rock. So parents out there, me and Jennie especially, we can listen to that advice and that story and maybe apply it to our own lives in some kind of way.
They brought out all the food. Here's the chicken and dumplings, the pot roast, the brisket. Oh, this looks so good. Look at this mac and cheese, the mashed potatoes, salad with the ranch dressing. Oh man. Getting the brisket. That's what he was waiting for. This pot roast. Oh, here we go. Cole wants a dumpling. Ooh, Cole, that looks good. All right, I'm gonna pick up a piece of this brisket.
I'm not even done with my stone soup.
Our dessert is here. Cole got the chocolate mousse. It's chocolate mousse with whipped cream and Oreo crumbles. I got the strawberry shortcake. Eli got the banana pudding.
I got the rich butter cake, and it is a vanilla cake with cream cheese filling. So let's check it out. I said cream cheese. I think I meant cheesecake filling, like a cheesecake. This tastes like a cheesecake bar.
It is pretty good. It has like a lemon curd underneath.
Oh, nice, yeah.
I will say that it kind of reminds me of the ones that you just they're like pre-made. Kind of just tastes like that in my opinion.
Okay, guys. So reviewing Song and Hearth. I'm going to start off with saying, you guys know we do lots of Disney dining reviews. We do all these family share, all family style, all you can eat type of scenarios. For the dollar amount, it's a little bit cheaper than a Disney one, but the food quality is just as good. You got to pick the 3 entrees. Think of like your Whispering Canyon, so to speak, with, you know, pick a couple meats and some sides. That's what this scenario is, and the price is perfect. It's like $36 a person for an adult, which is 10 and older, or 11 and older here. But overall, pricing wise, this is great. And if you're an annual pass holder, you do get a discount if you have an annual pass. So there's that as well that you can think about. An annual pass is probably $1,000 cheaper than a Disney one. But anyways, the food was great. My favorite meat item is definitely the brisket. That root beer barbecue sauce was really tasty. Really tasty, and the bark on the brisket was good. I don't know how they smoke their brisket, like if it's on an actual smoker or if it's in like a machine smoker, like an internal kitchen smoker. I don't know, because it says it's 12-hour smoked, but it's really good. Has good flavor. Pot roast was really good flavored as well. I thought it was a little dry, but it still tasted really good. It's honestly the one that got eaten the least. And the chicken and dumplings, great chicken and dumplings, no chicken. So there was not, I know Cole got the first scoop, and so he had the chicken. There's only like one piece of chicken in there and a bunch of dumplings and carrots, but it was still good flavor. Mac and cheese was on point, mashed potatoes were on point. And then the dessert, I tried a little bit of Eli's banana pudding, and I had the butter cake. Both of them 10 out of 10 for desserts. I loved them. Overall, I would give this a rating of 8.2 on a 10 scale. It was really good. Our server was great. The manager came by a few times and talked to us as well, told us the story of the stone soup. Stone soup, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But yeah, it was excellent. Staff is amazing and friendly, always checking on us. Overall, 8.2.
I'll give a quick review. I feel the same as Chad. Everything was so good. So pot roast is one of my favorite foods, and it was really good. But I was surprised that I loved the brisket. That was my favorite of the main courses. The dessert was good. All the sides were good. I really enjoyed everything. I really also love the atmosphere because it's decorated for Christmas and it's really cozy and homey feeling. Julie, the manager, just stopped by and she gave the boys all these stones. How cute. Gratitude, Max. What you got? Belief?
I got strength.
Okay, show it. And Cole got strength.
I told Max to believe I'm strength.
Told us the story of the stone soup, and I thought that was so sweet that they got one of those, a little memory to keep.
Good morning. We are headed down to the lobby to see what they have for breakfast options at their quick service restaurant. So let's go check that out. All right. See what they have for breakfast in here. All right, I got a French toast muffin, blueberry muffin, chocolate muffin, brownies, cinnamon roll, cinnamon bread, specialty muffins. You got donuts, cookies, pastries. Nice. Do they have any hot food? Hot breakfast. They got a egg, bacon, and cheese wrap. Bacon, sausage, or ham biscuit with egg and cheese. All right, so this is a little area you can get coffee. It's their Starbucks. There's also an ice cream bar where you can get hand-scooped ice cream and like the sundaes and milkshakes and things like that. They also have some grab-and-go stuff over here. Just some, popcorn, tortilla chips, Cliff bars, granola bars, things like that. And then cereals right there. And some candy bars, some big old candy bars. This is some king size. Nice. But we ordered some coffee, and we got some breakfast sandwiches coming. You also can get specialty pizza here too. I doubt that's available here in the breakfast time, but there are pizza and you can get chicken wings as well.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the review of the DreamMore Resort. We really enjoyed staying here, especially at Christmas time. It's so beautiful. I feel like I'm in a movie.
Yeah, we are going to go show you guys the park, the other resort as well. But we hope you guys enjoyed DreamMore. It was a lot of fun. The food was really good. Last night's dinner was awesome. And we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see this and other theme parks and other adventures our family goes on.